25 Ford Maverick, 26,913. 25 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend 4x4, 33,411. 24 Ford Expedition XLT, 61,800. Ray Varner Ford, local you trust with deals you can count on.
Well, it turned out to be a cloudy, kind of a dreary, gloomy day around East Tennessee. We saw a little bit of rain around town as well, and temperatures reflected that. We only topped out in the upper 60s to pockets of low to mid 70s. And so we continue to trend a little bit below average. We've had some rain showers still swinging their way on into the area, but once this rain moves on out, I don't necessarily know that we're going to have a whole lot throughout the day. On Wednesday, I think we're going to have a little bit, but again, a batch of rain here this evening, and that's going to be about the extent of it. Not the extent of it. We're still looking at more rain to fire up, but the bulk of these waves of rain, I think, are going to move on out. So as we get through our Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, there's the bulk of the rain showers moving on out of here. As we get into our Wednesday for the morning rush hour, I don't think we're going to have a ton of activity, maybe a few pockets of some light rain showers and some cloudy and gloomy conditions with mild temperatures. To be honest with you, we're going to start off in the 60s. We'll climb nicely into the mid to upper 70s. That's the goal anyways, although that's been the goal for the last couple of days. Rain chances should be a little bit more spotty in nature on Wednesday and Thursday, as well as our Saturday and Sunday as well. So not looking at a ton more rain to continue to push on through. So you can see the big picture weather pattern. There goes our little weather maker. Not a ton of rain expected throughout the day on Wednesday. Wednesday into Thursday, there's some more rain to our south, so that's going to usher in another chance for rain. But again, that's Thursday morning, and then during the afternoons, a lot of this rain is starting to move its way on out. So we have rounds and rounds of rain still, but the bulk of it's going to be during the overnight hours, or at least during the evening hours. The severe weather risk stays far to our south as well over the next 3 days, so not looking at necessarily any risk for severe weather, but we are looking at quite a bit of rainfall still. So the Weather Prediction Center has still about a 7 days rainfall forecast of about an inch or so. So we are still going to be under a level 1, level 2 risk for some localized flooding and flash flood concerns over the next 2 to 3 days or so. So still something to kind of keep in mind, keep that in the back of your head. Other than that, temperature wise on your 7-day forecast, we'll stay above average for the next we'll stay at average for the next couple of days. Then below average weather for your Friday. We'll come right back up into the upper 70s to low 80s as we head into the upcoming weekend, which, by the way, is the last weekend of May. Can you believe June starts Sunday? Hurricane season starts, by the way, June 1st. Got that going for us, too. All right, my friends, we sure hope you have a great night. Thanks for checking in with your evening weather update. I'll see you back here for Wake Up with the Witcher, 6 o'clock, bright and early on Wednesday morning.